This is solving multi-step equations, part 2. Now before we used the equal sign, and it was kind of a divider. Whatever we did to the left side, we had to do to the right side. We collected like terms, and eventually solved for a single amount of the variable. Now what happens when we have brackets? So for example, we'll have 2 times 3b plus 1 is equal to 4 times b plus 2. So now we have brackets. We have to use the distributive property to kind of expand this out before we can collect our like terms. So we have now 2 multiplied by 3b plus 2 multiplied by 1 is equal to 4b plus 4 times 2. 2 times 3b gives me 6b plus 2 is equal to 4b plus 8. Same as before. Whatever I do to one side, I'll have to do the other. If I want to get rid of the positive 2, I'm going to have to subtract or add negative 2 to one side and do the same to the other. Minus 2 plus 2 is 0, leaving me 6b. And I have 4b, 8 minus 2 plus 6. On the other side, I want to make sure that the 4b moves to the left-hand side. So I will just subtract 4b from this side, and I'll have to do the same to the left. 4b minus 4b is 0 on the right-hand side, and I'm left with 2b on the left, and that's going to be equal to 6. Again, I want to find out what 1b is equal to, because that's the variable I'm trying to solve for. So I'm going to divide by 2, both sides, and therefore b is going to be equal to 3. Now that I've done this and I figured out what b is, I'm going to have to check my answer. And to do that, I'm going to substitute b back into my original equation all the way over here. So I'm going to substitute b into my original equation, and I'm going to see if I get a true statement. See if my left-hand side equals my right-hand side. So I have my equation 2, just going to make sure about it, 3b plus 1 is equal to 4b plus 2. And to check, which means left side is equal to right side, I'm going to make b equal to 3, which is what I found out previously. So I'm going to have 2 times 3 times 3 plus 1 is equal to 4, 3 plus 2. Like anything else, I follow the order of operations. So I do what's in the brackets first, and even inside the brackets I have to follow order of operations, which in this case is multiplication. So I have 3 times 3 is 9, plus 1 is equal to 4 multiplied by 5. 9 plus 1 is 10. Just write the same down here, 4 times 5. 2 times 10 is 20. 4 times 5 is also 20. Since this is a true statement, I know that my answer of b equal to 3 is correct, and I can move on.